You can. All right. At least we're not Bismarck. It's the motto of weather tonight. It's cold for April. It's cold for April basically across the northern tier of the U.S. Even Alaska, which has been relatively warm for most of the winter, is now cold. Basically, we're all getting a little bit of cold and a little bit of rain and snow this weekend. When it comes to the cold the past few days, well, our high temperatures were record cold here in Spokane. Being around 40 degrees is the kind of cold that sets records, and that's what we did Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Today, not so much. In the next few days with temps in the mid to upper 40s, not quite record low high temperatures, but overnight we still fall into the 20s, and that means it is still going to be cold. Right now, 38 degrees. You factor in the wind, it feels more like 32 out there. So basically whatever temperature you see, 33 in Coeur d'Alene or Ritzville, 36 in Moses Lake, or down near 30 in Pullman and Moscow, you just go ahead and chop good 5-6 degrees off of that thanks to the wind. And that's going to be the case tomorrow morning as well. Our storm sits off the coast, and this little band of energy that's spinning around it, notice it is continuing to track off to the north. So for us, it is going to sweep through. It is going to deliver some flurries, maybe even a couple of raindrops as we get into the day tomorrow. And then guess what? There's another one right back behind it, so we get swept once again. And you're going, seriously, snow? Yeah, it's another cold core low. Basically, anything that's not a hurricane is cold core. And so what winds up happening for us is it's just a cold system, and we're kind of tapping into that cold. Tomorrow morning, 27. Tomorrow afternoon, 46. So basically, we're all in the upper 20s tomorrow morning. We're all in the mid to upper 40s tomorrow afternoon. And that's just kind of the pattern we're stuck in, at least for the next few days. A few isolated showers expected basically tomorrow and as we get into Friday, but more widespread activity across the region returns on Saturday as we get our next push of energy. But did you notice the difference there? It comes in from the south and southwest, so it pulls with it warmer temperatures. So we warm up briefly. Unfortunately, it does look like we cool down as we get into the second half of next week. But the good news is we stay with this wet weather pattern, which is great news for our ongoing drought because we need the moisture. So over the course of the next few days, 20s each night, 40s each day, and then by the weekend, a little bit of rain and snow. Next week we dry out briefly. Sunday, Monday, kind of a pick days, and then it's mild temperatures, but more rain in the forecast.
I guess at least we're trending in the right direction, right, Jeremy?
Yeah, baby steps each day. Eventually we'll be where we want to.
Yeah, something we can build on. Thank you very much.